So why is your premium Roblox not showing up? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can fix if your premium Roblox isn't actually showing up. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you purchase the premium, but if it's not showing the premium, it could be happening due to a couple of reasons. Now, first of all, if you purchase the premium from your browser, you have to log in from browser. If you purchase it from app, you have to check it in the app. And if you purchase it from mobile, you have to check it on the mobile platform itself. So it doesn't work the other way around. The next thing you want to make sure to check is that you're using the right account from which you subscribe the premium. So over here you can see the account as well as the username. You just want to make sure that it is actually the right account in this case. Now most likely if you just click the three lines icon, you should be able to notice that you have the premium option, or else sometimes what happens is that you have to directly contact the Roblox support team. Now usually they take up to 3 days to actually load the premium version. If it doesn't load up after that, you might want to contact support team by clicking the gear icon from the top right, going to the option called help, and when you go to help, you just need to scroll down to contact us. Once you go to contact us, you'll find the support form. Just click on support form, and then over here you simply want to make sure to enter the username, the first name, the email address. Everything else, make sure to simply select on which device you're having the issue with, and then after you've done that, you can select the type of help categories, such as let's say billing and payments, and right over here I'll say purchase declined or purchase did not receive. So I'll just select purchase does not receive, right? And in the description box, I'll just let them know that I did not receive my premium, even though I am sure that you subscribe to it. And then you should be able to send them a receipt of your payment, and then they should be able to help you with that. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.